Yeah, okay.
So what are they actually asking you? You have to calculate the scrap value of the machinery so that your scrap value should be such that your NPV is zero.
Yeah.
Are you with me?
Yeah.
Okay. Now see over here. What is your net cash outflow? Option 2. You are going to purchase the machinery that is costing 2,90,000, which would have a scrap value at the end of year 4, and the scrap value should be such that your NPV is 0. That means I have here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Your net cash flow in your year 0 is that your machinery is going to give an initial outflow of 290,000. Yes.
Yeah.
You will have an inflow of how much? 89, 76, 63, and 41.
Yes.
89,000,
76,000,
76,000,
63, and 41.
63,000, and 41,000. What is your
Yeah.
discounting factor?
Discounting factor is
In the
so
first
for
year
your
0, it is 1.
yeah,
Year
0
1,
1
it is
0.89, 0.797, 0.712, and 0.636.
Okay, fine. So your present value of your future inflow, this would be 290,000 negative. This would be 79,477. This would
Yeah.
be 65,72,
Hmm.
44,856, and to 26,076.
Yeah.
Yeah. At the end of year 4, you are going to dispose of the machinery at some scrap value,
Yes.
and you don't know at what scrap value you should dispose it of so that your NPV becomes 0. You want your NPV to become 0. Are
Yeah.
you with me?
Yeah. Yeah.
At the end of year 4, your discounting factor would be 0.636. You don't know what value to feed in over here so that your NPV is 0.
Scrap value is 0.636.
Scrap value, no. You are going to scrap your asset at the end of year 4. Am I correct?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
At the end of year 4, your discounting factor is 0.636.
Yeah.
You might receive something over here that you will multiply and you will get the present value of your scrap that you're going to get at the end of year 4.
Yes.
First thing, when they ask you to calculate a desired NPV, what is your desired NPV? Your NPV should be 0. That is what they're telling you.
Yeah. Yeah.
So when you have to calculate desired NPV, your first
So you will
step
just
is you will calculate your normal NPV. What is your normal NPV?
normal NPV.
290,000 minus 79,477,605,724, 44,856, 26,076. What is your normal NPV?
1 second. Uh, negative 79,019.
So your normal NPV is 79,016. Okay. Now
Oh,
compare your normal NPV with your desired NPV. What is your desired NPV?
desired is 0, na? Yeah.
That means at the end of year 4, you need to sell your asset at a value that is going to make your NPV 0. That means you are in a shortfall of 79,016.
Miss, 1 second. I'm getting negative 79,019, not 16.
Okay, 019, whatever.
Yeah.
So that means you have a shortfall of 79,019.
So that's the scrap value.
That will be your scrap value.
PV.
But yeah, that is the
No,
present
that will
value.
be your. Huh.
This is
So
your
you will
present.
divide that with 0.636, no?
Yes, you will divide it by 0.636. So what is the scrap value that you're expecting?
So I'm getting 1 second.
One, four,
124,243.
244. So
Yeah,
this
rounded.
shortfall, when you divide it by your year 4 discount factor, you had a shortfall of how much?
Yeah,
79,019. So when
yeah,
you
yeah.
divide this shortfall with your year 4 discount factor, you will get the future inflow that you
Scrap
want
value.
at the end of year 4. So
Okay,
there
fair.
are these steps. So you need to memorize these steps. These are your steps to calculate your desired NPV. So you want a
Yeah.
desired NPV, and here your desired NPV was how much?
Your NPV was 1 second.
Zero.
Yeah,
You
0.
want
You want
to
0.
find
Yeah.
out the scrap value in such a way that you get an NPV which is 0. So in
Yeah.
that, your first step is you calculate your normal NPV. That means you will
Hmm.
have your years, you will have your net cash flow, you will have your discount factors, and you will get your present value.
Yeah.
This you will compare your normal NPV that you're getting is a negative 79,019.
Yeah.
This you will compare it with your desired NPV. Your desired NPV is how much? 0.
0.
To get your
Hmm.
desired NPV, you have a shortfall in NPV that is 79,019.
Yeah.
So your first step is you calculate your normal NPV.
Yeah.
Then you write your desired NPV, compare it with your desired NPV, you will get the shortfall. That
Okay.
shortfall will be the present value of your desired scrap.
Yeah. Okay. Then
And
you
this
divide that
scrap you
with the
are going to
latest,
get, yeah.
the
This
last
scrap you
year's
are going to get at the end of year 4.
year 4. Yeah.
So when you divide this, actually this into this is going to give you 79,019.
Yeah. So you'll reverse to get the other value, net
Yes,
cash
this
flow. Huh.
divided by this, you will get the scrap value of your machinery that you should expect at the end of year 4.
Yeah. Fine.
So
Fair
this
enough.
shortfall, when you divide by year 4 discount factor, you will get the scrap value.
Okay.